Greaser's Pizza.
Let's get to cooking.
Greaser's Pizza, you need bread, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, tomato sauce, and some spices.
Attaboy.
Let's get to cooking.
Wait! We need to wash our hands and preheat the oven.
No! Alright, I'm gonna preheat the oven. Bake. 350 degrees, that will do. Start it. It's starting the preheating. That's another radiation. Let's cut our bread to pizza size.
Looks like a big peanut. I feel like Charlie Brown finna be in there.
2 bread slices.
Wait!
Toss your bread on the rack. Boom. Punch your bread. Alright, grate your mozzarella.
Bro, I want it. 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 Bro, I want it.
Bro, I want it.
Bro, I want it. That's some great cheese. Sheesh, here, son. That's some great cheese.
Let's make our sauce. Tomato sauce. Some oregano. Some salt.
Sodium chloride.
And a pinch of sugar. Sauce. Lay out the sauce on the pizza.
I like lots of sauce.
I don't like sauce much.
Wait!
Alright, we're sauced. Time for the cheese.
See all this cheese? Yes, please.
It looks really good.
And into the oven it goes.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Leave that in there for
I'm
about
hungry.
25 minutes and then we'll check on it.
I'm hungry.
25 minutes is up. What do you say we pull this bad boy
Oh,
out?
let's do it. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Ooh-wee. Jeez.
Wow. I'm
Would
hungry.
you look at that.
That looked good.
Hey, would you look at that.
I'm hungry. Bro, it looks good. I'm hungry.
Let's dig in. Greaser's Pizza, a solid 10 out of 10.
Wow!